This is Annette from needlepointers.com, and I'm so excited to show you a Dollar Tree find that I found today. I was there purchasing some other items for crafting, and on the way to the checkout I came across these little baby booties. And when I looked at them, I thought they look like they're perfect size for an American Girl doll. So let's see if they're going to fit her. Okay, here it goes. Look at that. They fit her perfectly. So, my advice is that when you go to Dollar Tree, look around to see what else you can find for your American Girl doll. I wish I had purchased more. I may have to go back to Dollar Tree to get some more because they had different colors and styles. Did you enjoy this video? Please like, share, and comment. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. To follow us, just click our website iCard or the link in the description below. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of doll crafting tutorials.